Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making some coconut curry saltfish for my dinner. I have been craving this and I decided to film it. Alright, so if you're interested, just keep on watching and enjoy the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back, and to my new viewers, welcome, and please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. So this is a saltfish that I'm going to be working with, and I also have this boneless saltfish that I'm going to add. I'm going to rinse the salt off, and then I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to throw that water away and catch some fresh water and boil it again for another 5 minutes. So now that my saltfish is cooked, what I'm going to do is remove as much bone as I possibly can, because no matter how hard you try, you're still going to have some bone left back in the saltfish. So I'm just going to try my best to remove as much bone as possible, and then I'm going to remove the scales as well. So now that I have my saltfish prepped and ready, I am going to prepare my scallion, onion, my bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and we're gonna go over to the stove. So now in my heated pan, I'm just gonna add some oil, and then I'm gonna add my curry. When I'm cooking seafood, I like to cook my curry out completely before I add my fish. So what I'm gonna do is add my curry to my oil, and then add some water, cover it down, and allow the curry to cook until it is nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna add my seasoning, my coconut milk, and my fish. I made a video a few months ago of how to prepare your curry paste. If you are new to my channel and you want to go watch that video, I'll leave it in the cards up above, and I'll also leave it in my description box so you can go and check that out as well. After I've made my curry paste, I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk, and I'm adding about 3/4 of this can, it all depending on the amount of sauce that you want. And I'm also gonna add all my peppers and my scallion, onion, and also my fish. And the only thing I'm gonna add to my fish is some pumpkin, which is optional. I just love the taste of pumpkin when I'm making curry saltfish. And I'm also going to add black pepper. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer down for a little bit, and then I add my diced pre-cooked pumpkin. Yeah, I already diced it and pre-cook it, and I'm just going to add it at the very end and allow it to simmer along with my saltfish, and then it's gonna be ready. Now for my dumplings, I'm always getting messages on Instagram to make boiled dumpling videos. I feel like I've made about 2 videos on this channel already with boiled dumpling. However, if you are into cornmeal dumpling, you can go ahead and do the 2-to-1 ratio by adding 2 cups of flour to 1 cup of cornmeal. Or if you are just a plain flour dumpling lover, you can go ahead and just add your salt and then gradually add your water until you have a soft but firm dough. And then you can go ahead and make your dumplings. I like mine small, so you can make them however you want them. If you like the big dumplings or the small ones, it's all up to you. So I'm also going to be cooking some green bananas. To make life easier, you can just core it with your knife and boil it in the skin. However, I am going to peel mine. I always like to peel mine. So I am just going to core it and just use my fingers to peel it, old school. I'm also going in with some yellow yam. And you know, in a Jamaican home, this can be either breakfast or dinner. Yeah, it can be either breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whichever one. So I've gone ahead and I added my salt to my boiling water, and I just take pieces of my dough, use my thumb and my palms to mold my dough into the shape that I want. So to prevent overcooking, I usually add my bananas last. I add them to the top of my pot so they can just steam cook, and I don't cover my pot because I don't want it to boil over. So I just leave it like this and allow everything to cook. So there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. We have our nice coconut curry, saltfish, our boiled bananas, yellow yam, and boiled dumplings. And this is a great Easter recipe as well, since most of us won't be having any meat. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet.